Imagine the world as you know it has ended. You're in a survival situation with no matches. How would you start a fire? Fire, a symbol of warmth, cooked meals, and a beacon for help, is a crucial skill to master. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create a life-saving blaze without a single match. The most primitive and reliable method to start a fire without matches is using friction. Picture this: a humble stick spun rapidly against a sturdy baseboard, generating heat through pure mechanical energy. Among friction methods, the hand drill is the most basic, yet it demands dexterity and endurance. The bow drill, on the other hand, uses a simple device to maintain steady, rapid rotation, making it more efficient and less physically demanding. This method requires patience and practice, but it's a tried and true way to create fire. Another method to consider is creating a spark. Picture this: striking a hard, high-carbon steel object against a piece of flint or quartz. The collision generates sparks, tiny fragments of fiery potential. Now capture those sparks on a char cloth or a piece of fungus. This smoldering ember is your ticket to warmth and safety. With careful nurturing, this ember can be coaxed into a flame, then a fire. With the right materials, this is a quick and effective way to start a fire. If you have access to sunlight, another option is the lens method. This technique harnesses the power of the sun, focusing it onto a small spot to ignite your tinder. You can use a variety of lenses for this, like eyeglasses, a magnifying glass, or even a clear water-filled baggie. The key is to focus the sunlight precisely onto your tinder, effectively creating a hotspot that can trigger combustion. This method is dependent on good weather, but it's a simple and effective way to start a fire when the sun is shining. Starting a fire without matches might seem daunting, but it's a vital skill in a survival situation. We've explored the friction, spark, and lens methods, all requiring practice in safe, controlled environments. Remember, knowledge is the key to survival. Stay prepared, and you'll always have a way to create fire, even in the darkest times.